देखिए, फर्स्ट आई स्पीक इन हिंदी, आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज। जो G20 शिखर सम्मेलन है, ये भारत के लिए भी गर्व का विषय है और दिल्ली पुलिस के लिए इसलिए कि हम लोग जो सुरक्षा व्यवस्था के इंतज़ाम हैं, यातायात के इंतज़ाम हैं, उनके लिए हम लोगों की जिम्मेदारी है। और दिल्ली पुलिस के लिए हमेशा से ये परंपरा रही है कि कोई भी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर का इंतज़ाम हम लोग व्यापक स्तर पर उसकी तैयारी करते हैं। दिल्ली पुलिस का हर सदस्य उसमें अपना जो है सर्वोत्तम और सर्वोच्च रूप से योगदान देता है। और इसी श्रृंखला में हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है कि G20 शिखर सम्मेलन में, जिसमें परमानेंट 5 मेंबर्स हैं सुरक्षा परिषद के, संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के, G7 समूह के भी सदस्य हैं, और बाकी जो विकासशील जो ब्लॉक है और हर एक महाद्वीप का इसमें प्रतिनिधित्व है, तो विभिन्न सुरक्षा एजेंसी यहाँ पर आएंगी। उनके साथ हम लोगों का सामंजस्य स्थापित होगा और हम लोग ट्रैफिक का भी, सिक्योरिटी का भी और बाकी इंतजाम। और उसी श्रृंखला में जो ये पहली ट्रैफिक पुलिस की ब्रीफिंग है, बाकी जो ब्रीफिंग्स है वो भी समय समय पर विभिन्न जो वर्टिकल्स हैं, सिक्योरिटी के वर्टिकल्स हैं, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के वर्टिकल्स हैं, वो भी विशेष आयुक्त यहाँ पर करेंगे। तो पहली ब्रीफिंग में हम लोग बताना चाहेंगे, जो भी जिज्ञासा है, जो भी कौतूहल है अगर आपका, कि किस तरह का जो यातायात का इंतज़ाम रहेगा। और उसी श्रृंखला में हमने एक विस्तार से जो है ट्रैफिक एडवाइजरी तैयार की है, जो ट्रैफिक एडवाइजरी आज हम रिलीज़ कर देंगे इसके बाद में। उसमें हमने प्रयास किया है कि जो भी सेवा हो, एक यातायात के जितने भी अंग होते हैं, अगर आप बस से जाना चाहते हैं, आप एयरपोर्ट की सर्विसेज इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं, आप टैक्सी की सर्विसेज इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं, एसेंशियल सर्विसेज की जो सेवाएं हैं एम्बुलेंस के साथ साथ, सभी के लिए हमने क्या क्या निर्देश तैयार किए हैं और साथ के साथ उसके लिए क्या इंतजाम किए हैं, कहाँ पर हम लोग नियमन करेंगे, कहाँ पर हम लोगों का जो है रेगुलेशन रहेगा और कहाँ पर प्रतिबंध अगर कहीं पर हम करना चाहेंगे टेम्परेरी पीरियड्स के लिए, वहाँ पर करेंगे। पहली प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट कीजिए। नेक्स्ट, देखिए, जो हम एक वर्चुअल हेल्प डेस्क जितने भी यूजर्स हैं फॉर पब्लिक व्यू, ये हम लोग लॉन्च करेंगे आज से। और इसका जो पब्लिक व्यू है आपको कुछ दिनों में जो ट्रैफिक अलर्ट्स के साथ मिलता रहेगा। जैसा मैंने पहले बताया कि अगर आपको ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सर्विसेज का इस्तेमाल करना है, ट्रैफिक अरेंजमेंट्स के बारे में आपको जानकारी लेनी है, जो कुछ मैप्स के बारे में आपको जानकारी लेनी है, हमारी एक ट्रैफिक सेंटिनल ऐप है जो काफ़ी टाइम से चल रही है, उसके बारे में जानकारी लेनी है, और साथ के साथ सोशल मीडिया के बारे में अगर जानकारी लेनी है, पुलिस सर्विसेज के बारे में जानकारी लेनी है, मेडिकल एम्बुलेंस फैसिलिटीज़ जिसके बारे में मैंने बताया, और ट्रैफिक अपडेट्स के बारे में जानकारी लेनी है। फॉर द यूजर्स ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, आई विल ट्रांसलेट इन इंग्लिश। वील हैव अ comprehensive virtual help desk for all the users, those who are visiting Delhi as a delegates also, as a tourist also, as well as citizens of Delhi, as well as other outsiders who are coming to Delhi. We will be launching a virtual help desk. As the screen shows, we will providing information about various services, including transportation services. In transportation services, if you want to know about how you have to commute from airport to the venue or to the various hotels, or if you want to go to certain markets, or if you want to visit hospitals, there will be link in the help desk. Our major focus is how we can provide better services and information to the users, especially concerned with the G20 summit. Traffic arrangements, as far as traffic arrangements is concerned, we will be issuing a detailed traffic advisory, which will give you advisory पर जाइए, link. In detailed traffic advisory, we will be giving you information about the various types of modes of transport available. Say, the main summit venue is in New Delhi. So there will be restrictions in the NDMC area, or we call the New Delhi Police District, which will be a controlled zone in which the authorized vehicles or the identified vehicles or the identified visitors will be allowed. But in the controlled zone, as well as the rest of the Delhi, metro services will be allowed throughout. It means if you want to come to New Delhi and visit New Delhi at any place, you can come by metro. There will be no restrictions to come by metro for any individual. Secondly, there will be restrictions beyond the NDMC area. That is the ring road area. Beyond the NDMC area, if we say, then we can use all available modes of transport, whether it is buses, whether it is taxi, whether it is TSR, including the metro services. And all these restrictions will come in place from 7th night, 7 और 8 की रात से हम लोग restrictions इनको लागू कर देंगे. Another major restriction will be commercial vehicles, especially the heavy commercial vehicles will be restricted from the borders of Delhi. Heavy goods vehicle, medium goods vehicles, however, any vehicle which is carrying essential goods or involved in essential services, we will be allowing them throughout, including the medical services, including the ambulance services. There will be no restriction on the movement of ambulance or the medical services or the people who are needing the medical assistance coming by whatsoever mode of transport. For that, we are establishing a special ambulance assistance control room, which will have a dedicated helpline and which will have the dedicated staff. We have identified 20 junctions in and around New Delhi area, which we have analyzed and which we have identified, thinking that at these junctions invariably these ambulances will cross, and in case it is required that they need help or assistance, we will provide them the assistance and try to provide the green corridor also. At any point of time, at whatever time, we will give them an alternative or we will allow them to cross, as we always do during the movement of the VVIPs also. Even during the movement of the Honorable Prime Minister also, we have on several times allowed ambulances coming to AIIMS or RML or to the Army Hospital. In this traffic advisory, we have provided the link to the suggested routes also, suggested roads also for the railway station also, for traffic regulation, medical emergency, IGI airport, DTC buses. Beyond Ring Road, DTC buses, city bus services will operate. In NDMC area, buses will not operate. Same way, metro services will operate throughout. As I earlier said, restrictions for the commercial vehicles will be there. Besides, there will be certain other instructions for the movement of the general public. Now there will be curiosity, say suppose if I want to go to the airport by my personal car only. And normally we use C hexagon or the parts of New Delhi. But if you want to go, say, in the first instance, we will advise that please use airport express line, metro line for going to the airport or reaching to any place. Metro will be the best services, easy service available. But in case still we want to go by, say, our own personal car to the airport, so we advise that plan your journey in advance, and there will be route divergence. Say if you are staying in south of Delhi, you can go via the outer ring road or the MG road. There will be directions available to reach the airport. Or say if you want to go from Model Town to the airport, you can go from Model Town to use Rani Jhansi flyover, then go to the Dwarika, then UER2 and come back to the service lane of the NH48. All these routes are described in detail in the traffic advisory. Next. All this information, next slide. Next. Next. Same way when we say of transportation services, how you can use this virtual help desk, it will take you to the tour of various services available, say by metro, by bus, taxi, airport, and hotels to convention center. This will be for the delegates or the tourists who are visiting the capital city. Next. Same, if you look at below, we have provided the north-south corridor also and east-west corridor also. Say if you are staying in north, want to go to south, or if you are staying in east or west, how you can commute without getting disturbed by the regulations or the restrictions in the controlled zone of NDMC area. Next. Then in the virtual help desk, we will, for your assistance, will give you access to the various maps which will provide you further directions. Next. These are various other links for the cybercrime services. Links will be there for the other helplines also. Next. About the medical hospitals also, how we will be providing services, those who are using ambulance services or in distress. There will be links to all the hospitals also, major hospitals. If you want to seek appointment for your emergencies, there will be a link. If you want to navigate, if you are using, say, if you want to come to RML hospital, how you can use it, and or if you want to use GB Pant hospital, or if you are wanting to use Primus hospital, or if you are wanting to use AIMS hospital, there will be no restrictions, there will be navigation services available. For this, we have informed Google services also and Map My India services also. Map My India is an indigenous app which will give you exact, accurate navigation, including the restrictions also. They have configured their navigation services as per the restrictions. So that will be more accurate than the other services available. Next. Besides, we will also provide you information about the tourist services or the marketplaces. Say suppose certain marketplaces, because of the regulations where services will not be available, it will also be mentioned to you. And besides those marketplaces or the tourist places where the services are available, where the transport is available, and the options of the transport will be mentioned in the help desk. Next. Now, in further details, DCP New Delhi range will also explain to you whatever further details are required to be mentioned. Thank you.